Samsung has never been super speedy with major Android OS upgrades, but the company has been blazing new trails with its security patch releases recently, often beating Google itself to the punch. We're still in the middle of November, but Samsung is already rolling out next month's December security patches to certain devices enrolled in the One UI 3 beta. The new update, with firmware version G98X5STK, has been spotted rolling out to Galaxy S20 Plus devices in the UK and Germany, and should make its way to other countries participating in the beta program soon. Along with including the December security patches roughly 2 weeks ahead of schedule, the 271.61 MB update also has a number of bug fixes and minor UI tweaks. Last month, Samsung started rolling the November security patches out to phones before Halloween had even passed, and this is yet another example of how the company has streamlined the security update process. If you want to see how other OEMs are doing in the update races, check out our security patch tracker.